Is it the perfect moment to make a move on QQQ ETF? Get ready as we take a deep dive into QQQ. Our initial report was released on our website on Tuesday, October 17, 2023, and now we're here to present you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and hit the notification bell to stay on top of our latest analysis. Stay ahead of the game and don't miss out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Supercharge your trading decisions with our groundbreaking AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Unleash the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please bear in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Hey there! Guess what? Since October 16, 2023, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, giving it an impressive score of 1.32. But hold on, let's dive deeper into the stock's performance during this period. Brace yourself. Unfortunately, the stock hasn't exactly met our expectations. It's currently showing a loss of minus 0.33%. Bummer, right? In other words, on average, it has been losing minus 0.16% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. Ouch! Are you ready for a trading opportunity? Let's analyze the current state of the ETF. We've noticed an interesting trend that could be a great selling opportunity for short-term traders. Don't miss out on the potential profits as the price is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $370.74, which could indicate a slowdown in the falling rate or even a trend shift. Exciting times ahead. Now, let's dive into the future. Our analysis suggests a potential minus 4.05% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possibility of a return between minus 9.29% and minus 3.39%. It's always important to be aware of the potential risks and rewards. Stay vigilant. Looking even further ahead, the 12-month trend indicates a significant 42.7% change. This could potentially lead to a return between 39.36% and 61.9%. Imagine the possibilities. If everything goes according to the trend, the price range after a year could be anywhere between $513.11 and $596.11. Keep this in mind for your long-term investment plans. Hey there! Get ready for the latest update on QQQ. Brace yourself for some exciting news. It was a bit of a roller coaster ride for QQQ on Tuesday, resulting in a red day. The ETF experienced a slight dip of 0.328% in its price. Let me take you through the details. The QQQ ETF's price dropped from $369.41 to $368.20 on Tuesday, the 17th of October 2023. Throughout the trading day, the ETF went through some ups and downs, fluctuating by 1.72% from a low of $363.66 to a high of $369.92. This kind of movement can be quite thrilling for investors. Now, here's an interesting observation. The price of QQQ has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, showing a positive trend. In fact, it's up by a whopping 3.74% over the past 2 weeks. However, on the last day, even though the volume of shares traded increased by 7 million, the prices fell. This could be a sign of potential risk in the coming days, so keep an eye out. In total, approximately 49 million shares of the QQQ ETF were bought and sold, with a total value of around $18.03 billion. That's a significant amount of activity, wouldn't you say? Let's zoom out and take a broader look. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $387.98, while the lowest price was $259.08. As of now, the current price is 5.1% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $19.78. It's also 9.91% below the all-time high, which was reached on the memorable date of November 22, 2021, when the price skyrocketed to $408.71. Quite impressive, right? Are you ready for some exciting news about QQQ? Let's dive in. The QQQ ETF is showing some interesting signals. The short-term moving average suggests a sell, while the long-term average indicates a buy. But here's the twist: since the short-term average is above the long-term average, we have a general buy signal for the ETF. This gives a positive forecast for the stock. Exciting, right? Now, let's talk about some key levels to watch out for. If the ETF continues to gain, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average around $368.46. On the other hand, if it falls, it will find support from the long-term average near $367.46. A break through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Keep an eye out for these levels. But that's not all. We also have a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, we can't ignore some negative signals that have been issued. These might have an impact on the near short-term development. In fact, a sell signal was recently issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, October 11, 2023, resulting in a -0.81% fall. It seems like we might see further decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Pay attention to the volume as well. It rose on falling prices yesterday, acting as an early warning. This means we should keep a closer eye on the ETF's movement. Exciting times ahead. Are you ready to dive into some fascinating signals? Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's giving a strong buy signal. Next, we have the pivots, which gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator shows a buy signal from 15 days ago. Now, the short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal 4 days ago. And finally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. Here's what it reveals. The short moving average gave a buy signal 9 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 4 days ago. Once again, the relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 9 days ago. Don't forget to visit StockInvest.us for more exciting signals. Are you ready to explore the world of QQQ support, risk, and stop-loss strategies? Buckle up. Picture this: QQQ finds its strength in the accumulated volume at an impressive $364.70. And guess what? This level might just be your golden ticket to a buying opportunity. Brace yourself for an exciting upwards reaction when this support line is put to the test. Hold on tight, because this ETF is known for its controlled movements. With excellent liquidity, the risk factor is as low as it gets. Let's dive into some numbers. In just one day, the ETF experienced a thrilling $6.26 ride between its highest and lowest points. That's a jaw-dropping 1.72% swing. And that's not all. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of this ETF has been a mind-boggling 1.48%. Welcome, fellow traders. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of trading levels for QQQ. But before we jump right in, let's take a moment to delve into some essential fundamental data that will set the stage for our discussion. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This powerful metric measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. It's like peeking into the financial soul of a company. Now, here's the interesting part. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate a lackluster future for the company or even suggest that the stock is undervalued. And you know what that means, right? It could be a golden opportunity for us to swoop in and make a smart investment. Are you ready to delve into the exciting world of day trading? Let's explore some potential day trading levels for QQQ. Picture this: QQQ is on an upward trend and you're eager to jump in. The first resistance level to keep an eye on is at $368.59. If you don't have any shares yet, consider waiting for this level to be breached before making your move. But for those who already own the stock, this could be the perfect opportunity for swing trading. Now, let's talk about the downside. QQQ encounters its first support level at $364.70. If this support level holds, it could be your golden ticket for a rebound. Keep your eyes peeled for this potential entry point. Are you ready for our top investment recommendation? Imagine a low-risk opportunity with potential for significant gains. Introducing an ETF with a recommended stop-loss set at $357.37, ensuring your investment is protected. But that's not all. This ETF boasts low daily movements, minimizing risk and increasing the chances of steady returns. And here's the exciting part, we've identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred just 4 days ago. Wondering if the QQQ ETF is a good buy? Despite the ETF currently being in a falling trend, our analysis reveals some promising short-term signals, making it worth considering for potential investors. When we examine the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. As we dive into Wednesday's trading, October 18th, we anticipate QQQ to open with a decline of minus 94 cents, starting at $367.26. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of trading? But hold on, let's talk about an important aspect first. Trading involves risks, and we want you to be fully aware of them. That's why it's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any big moves in the market. We're here to provide information, but remember, your investment decisions are your own responsibility. Welcome, fellow investors. Are you ready to dive into the world of stocks? We're about to show you our current view of the stock. But hold on, we want to hear from you too. Do you agree or disagree? Leave a comment below and let's start a conversation. Oh, and don't forget to share your thoughts on what your target for the ETF is. Your opinion matters to us. Now, before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll never miss out on our valuable insights. We're here to provide you with the tools and knowledge for successful trading. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride. From all of us here at Stock Invest, we wish you nothing but success in your trading journey. Remember, the stock market is full of opportunities, and we're here to help you seize them. Have a beautiful day and happy investing.